Okay, this is after our Closet Monday.
Tuesday.
Even though it's Tuesday. I'm just call it just another Closet Monday. Make it a fun day. We got everything by category and everything in pretty bins and from Target. And I love how we got all her dresses by category and then by color. Here we come into the white. She's got such pretty stuff. Love her style. And shoes, I like to do one forward, one backward. Gives the area more room. And I do love these big barrel bins from Target, and they're only $7.99. So anyway, just another Closet Monday.